What? Where am I? Everything's so small.
I know, right?
Ugh. I think I know where the gem is, but I'll need help.
Okay.
We're going for a ride. Hit the pedal. Let's go.
Okay.
Brake, brake!
Where's the brake? Oh, it's that one. I'm so sorry. This time, I have had a better idea. You're in pedals.
We're going for a ride.
Now quick, brake. Whoa! Whoa! Oh. Hey, look, there's a gym. Here we go. Uh. Uh. Oh, yes. We did it. Okay. What do I say? Whoop. That was easy. I feel like my DNA is changing.
What? Where am I?
Next time, I'm gonna have a water bottle next to me every time I'm walking around. Why is the dog's eyes red? Oh no.